Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, achieving and maintaining good health can be a daunting task. We're bombarded with conflicting information, unhealthy lifestyle choices, and the pressures of daily life. This is where health coaching comes in as a powerful and transformative approach to helping individuals take control of their health and well-being. In this article, we will delve into the world of health coaching, exploring what it is, why it's valuable, and how it can positively impact your life. What is health coaching? Health coaching is a client-centered, holistic approach to achieving and maintaining optimal health and well-being. It involves a partnership between a trained health coach and an individual seeking to make positive lifestyle changes. Health coaches do not provide medical advice or treatment, but instead empower their clients to take charge of their health by setting and achieving personalized health goals. Key components of health coaching. Personalized goal setting. Health coaches work closely with their clients to identify specific health goals. These goals can range from weight management and improved nutrition to stress reduction and better sleep. Education and information. Health coaches provide evidence-based information and education to help clients make informed decisions about their health. They can explain complex medical concepts in easy-to-understand terms. Accountability and support. A significant aspect of health coaching is the ongoing support and accountability provided by the coach. Regular check-ins and progress assessments help clients stay on track. Motivation and behavior change. Health coaches employ various techniques to motivate clients and facilitate behavior change. They help clients overcome obstacles and develop healthier habits. Mind-body connection. Health coaching often emphasizes the connection between mental and physical health. Coaches help clients address underlying emotional or psychological factors that may impact their well-being. Why health coaching matters. Individualized approach. Health coaching recognizes that everyone's health journey is unique. Coaches tailor their guidance to each client's specific needs, preferences, and circumstances. Sustainable change. Health coaching focuses on long-term, sustainable lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. This approach leads to better health outcomes and lasting results. Empowerment. Clients become active participants in their health decisions, which can lead to increased confidence and a sense of control over their well-being. Improved health literacy. Health coaching enhances an individual's understanding of their health, enabling them to make informed choices and navigate the healthcare system more effectively. Holistic well-being. Health coaches address not only physical health but also mental, emotional, and social aspects of well-being, fostering a more balanced and fulfilling life. Conclusion. Health coaching is a powerful tool for achieving and maintaining good health and well-being. By partnering with a trained health coach, individuals can set and achieve their health goals, develop healthier habits, and gain the knowledge and support needed to live their best lives. Whether you're looking to lose weight, manage stress, or improve your overall wellness, health coaching can be your path to a healthier, happier you. So, take that first step toward a healthier future and consider working with a qualified health coach to unlock your full potential. Your journey to better health starts now.